Project playtime setting is not changing. Hello guys, welcome back to your own channel. I hope you are well guys. Today I will show you how you can fix project playtime setting is not changing in your laptop and PC. So how you can fix this problem. So guys, right now if you have also playing this game in your PC and laptop, but then guys maybe it is not changing settings. So I will tell you if right now you are using any laptop, so how you can fix this issue in the project playtime. Let's get started without any further delay. Before starting this video, please guys make sure you have to subscribe our channel if you are watching my videos at first time, and if you have get this video by search results, then please guys you have to subscribe our channel so that guys you could get useful videos from my channel. Okay, so firstly guys you have to click on this search bar on your laptop and PC. Right now you have to tap on this. You have to type run. After that you have to select this run application. Click on the enter button. Once guys it will show like this type of interface. Tap on this. You have to type local app data. In the search bar you have to type local app data, but you have to type like percentage firstly, then local app data, then again percentage, then you have to type the okay. I have already guys mentioned the spelling of this, like what you have to do. I have already mentioned the spelling of this text local app data. Then tap on this OK button. You will see guys it will show like this type of interface. Now in these all guys features, in the options you have to find project playtime. Okay, so right now guys I have not downloaded this, so that's why guys it is not showing in my these all settings. You have to make sure you find this game from these all, like it will show you project playtime, so you have to find that. Okay, once guys you will get the, and once you will find successfully, simply tap on that. When you will click on that guys it will show you saved. You have to go to the saved and you have to make sure you guys clean all caches from these all files. Okay, and then guys you have to reinstall the file of this project playtime game on your PC and laptop. So this is the guys first one method. Now guys you have to follow our second method, but guys second method you have to follow properly. Okay, so you have to go to the settings of your PC and laptop and make sure guys you have to up to date your window. Right now I am using Windows 7 and my window is already up to dated. So please guys if you're not up to dated your windows, then please guys firstly you have to up to date your windows and laptop. Okay, so this is the second. Third one is that if you have not updated this game like project playtime in your PC and laptop, so firstly guys you have to up to date this game. Like if you have downloaded old version file, then firstly guys you have to remove that from your PC and laptop, then reinstall the file of this game. Third and fourth is like my final, that you have to update this feature and that you have to apply this method on your PC and laptop. Make sure guys you have to also clean the unnecessary software from PC. Yes guys, sometimes we have to download a lot of unnecessary software in a PC and laptop. That's why guys we need to clean our laptop. So guys firstly you have to remove all unnecessary files from your laptop and PC, as well guys you have to delete all archive file from your laptop, so that guys your problem will be fixed. So our first method is firstly guys you have to go to the search bar and you have to type run, and in the run guys you have to type this local app data, and this is a guys 101% solution. You have to apply this method and you have to find the project playtime file and you have to remove that. And now guys then after removing that you have to reinstall the new file of this game like project playtime. So guys this is our final solution. You have to apply this. After this guys your problem will be 101% fixed in a PC and laptop. This is a guys today tutorial. I hope this video will be very helpful for you. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. See you in the next video guys. Thanks for watching guys.